What's up,
Okay, we
homies?
kind of just like, we just woke up pretty much, so.
So, I...
we look kind of weird.
Yeah, look at me.
Okay. So today we're going to go over magazines. Well, each of us are supposed to have a magazine, Chrissy. We're going to flip through them, and whenever we see something cool, we're going to talk about it.
I said something cool!
Okay.
It's in your brother's room. I'm surprised it's not porn, but.
Okay. This girl is drinking water because she obviously was thirsty. That's all I've got to say.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay,
Check this one out. Look at that. Look at how cool that
Holy
is.
shit.
Yeah, okay. That one is a gecko and a duck thing, but I think it looks really cute and
Okay,
like awesome.
and this is...
And, oh wait, that's the gecko. Wait, that is Freddy and that's Junior.
It is?
This
No, I screwed
is...
that up.
Alright.
I can't do it. The A and the E are cool looking and do your ABCs. Okay. Rules. The A will go up your ass. The E will go down your ass. Okay.
Okay, this is a guy walking in the rain. He's got an umbrella because he's afraid he's going to get wet. Okay? So don't get mad at my judgments.
Okay, ready? Okay, so this one, that is Patsy's brain. That's Patsy's brain. That's her.
I'm Patsy.
Okay, and this one is Patsy and Cheyenne together. That's Patsy right here.
Okay.
And that's Cheyenne.
Wait, Chrissy, which one's Cheyenne and which one's
This
Patsy?
one's...
I don't want to be the old
This
lady.
one's Patsy. This one's Cheyenne.
Oh, okay, this is my boyfriend. Sorry, Dylan. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that's my boyfriend. Look at his mad skillage.
This is Kelly Clarkson. You have to admit she does have some good songs.
You can't even see it.
Wait, if I can find her, okay?
That's
That's not Kelly Clarkson.
Right there.
What are you on?
Right in the corner.
That's not Kelly
In the-
Clarkson.
Yeah, that is.
In the
Let me
corner?
see.
With the rip. She has some good songs.
Okay, and this one right here. Wait, where is it?
Oh,
This
okay,
one's my boyfriend eating Chinese food or something.
Okay, my turn. Okay, so wait.
No, it does. No, it's not.
Okay, that is Chrissy right there. That's Chrissy, but like she gets like surgery and whatever, so she's black. That's Chrissy. Chrissy.
And this.
This is my next boyfriend right there. Oh no, he is my boyfriend.
Okay, after
So damn
Chrissy,
cute.
then we're gonna go.
And this is. Wait. And this is Cheyenne's insides in her.
Yes.
Alright.
And then
I
this.
didn't get it.
This is random people. Okay?
Okay, yeah, okay, we're done. Yeah, we're gonna make more videos and stuff, so bye.
That was